Hello all, I'm Rahul, a final year undergraduate studying electrical engineering at IIT Tirupati. Today I'm going to talk about volume rendering and ROIs on 3D Slicer. So 3D Slicer is an open source software platform for medical image informatics, image processing, and mainly three-dimensional visualization. So if you have your data, you can load into that by this option, load data. As I don't have any data in my PC, I'm going to download a sample data and show you. I'm going to select MR brain tumor 2. Just click on it, will be downloaded. As you can see, these are the different views of the brain scan. This is the axial view, this is sagittal view, and this is the coronal view of the brain. So you can vary the contrast by moving, by clicking left click and move, drag it left and right. You can see the contrast is changing. You can also move the image by holding shift and left click like this according to your convenience. And also you can go through various slices by scrolling on mouse. These are the different slices of the brain. So today I'm going to talk about volume rendering module. So to go to the module, click this. This is the volume rendering module. And I'm going to select a module that is brain tumor 2. See, to view it in 3D, you enable the crop and you can select a preset. I'll tell you about preset later. You can visualize the volume by clicking this, enabling this. See, as you can see, this is the volume of the brain. So to visualize clearly, you can narrow it down by the option called display ROI. ROI is nothing but region of interest. So as you can see here, the tumor is present. So I'm going to move my region of interest to this point. And also you can zoom in and zoom out by right click and moving down, scrolling it down. So I'm going to narrow it down. As you can see, the 3D volume is changing according to our region of interest. Okay. You can narrow it down here also. So preset is nothing but you can select different presets. This is for lungs and for various parts. I'm going to select this one for brain. As you can see, the tumor is present here. So you can clearly visualize this one. So to get more clarity, you can use this option by shifting this. See, this way you can clearly narrow it down to your region of interest and clearly visualize and examine that part in the brain. So, and that's all. You can try various presets if you want, in which you are comfortable with. So to save your work, let me do this again. To save your work, just click on save. and you can choose your directory to save that. That's all. Hope this helps to understand the 3D slicer a bit, and that's all. Thank you.